Ahoy, young adventurers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Talking Fruits Fiesta. Today, get ready for a tropical explosion as we dive into the world of mango, kiwi, and pineapple. Our fruity trio is ready to share their juicy tales. First in the spotlight, the golden marvel, the mango. Spell it out, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Mango, what's the secret to your tropical sweetness?
I'm the golden sweetness, a tropical delight in every bite, and the perfect addition to salsas and desserts. My secret is all about soaking up the sunshine and ripening under its warm embrace. I bring the taste of the tropics to your table.
And now, bouncing into the scene, the fuzzy and vibrant kiwi. Spell it out, K-I-W-I, kiwi. Kiwi, tell us about your adventures in the land of exotic fruits.
I am the zesty bunch, adding a burst of freshness to fruit salads and smoothies. Plus, our vibrant green color makes me a standout in any fruit bowl.
Joining the tropical fiesta, the spiky pineapple. Spell it out, P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. Pineapple. What's your secret to bringing a tropical punch to dessert?
It's all in our tropical flavor and versatility. I am bringing that sweet and tangy flavor to everything to grilled dishes. Tropical perfection.
And now, it's time for some barrelicious spelling fun. Let's hear how our fruity friends spell their names.
M-A-N-G-O, mango.
K-I-W-I, kiwi. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple.
Bravo, tropical trio! If you've enjoyed this fruity fiesta, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tropical tales. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, stay curious, and may your days be as vibrant as a basket of talking tropical fruits.